This is the showroom that's holding this event right here. Test ride for both the RTR 200 and the RR310. So I'm gonna ride the Apache RR310 by TVS. Let's see how it goes. First of all, extremely sporty look, and it's kind of heavy. Yep, can definitely feel the weight on this. Look at the vertical speedometer. It's a definitely Panigale inspired bike. Almost a Ferrari. Chala. This is also very soft. I think the seat is really comfortable for a 300cc sports bike. The RC is hopeless. The Ninja is a bit more stiffer, but this one is really smooth.
I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise.
Even this is amazing thing. If that has to give a competition, like not exactly a competition in speeds.
In speed,
when
no,
it comes
but
to corner, no.
yeah, this is really
This
good.
looks maybe sick, like, but then when it comes to the corners, it's too good.
It's good. Yeah. Oh.